Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Coleman lantern parts is probably one of the most important things to consider when buying a lantern, as a well-maintained lantern can provide light in any situation, from camping to power outages. This video will guide you through the essential components of Coleman lanterns, explaining their functions and helping you choose the right parts for your needs, whether you're looking for replacement parts, upgrades, or simply want to understand your equipment better. We will cover mantles, fuel tanks, globes, and other key components, providing insights into their quality, durability, and compatibility with different Coleman lantern models. Number 5. Coleman Lantern Globe. Keep your Coleman lantern shining bright with this replacement globe. It's easy to install and ensures your lantern provides reliable light for years to come. This globe is designed to fit a wide range of Coleman lanterns. Check the model number to ensure compatibility before ordering. It seamlessly fits Coleman propane lantern models 5150, 5151, ABC, 5152, ABCD, 5154, AB, 5155, AB, 5159, 5417, 5419, 5428, and 5429. Enjoy brighter, more reliable light. This replacement globe also works perfectly with Coleman dual fuel lantern models 282 and 285, and liquid fuel lantern models 286, 288, 321, 325, and 335. Replacing your lantern globe is simple and straightforward. This durable globe will provide long-lasting illumination for all your outdoor adventures. Don't let a broken globe dim your adventures. Get this replacement and restore your Coleman lantern to its full brilliance. What we like. If your lantern's globe is cracked or damaged, this is a perfect replacement. It ensures a bright, clear light for your outdoor adventures. Its simple design makes installation a breeze, so you can get back to enjoying your camping trip quickly. Choose this for a reliable and long-lasting solution. What people say. The fit was perfect, which I was concerned about when ordering. This globe appears to be just slightly smaller than the original, however, not enough to make any difference. It fits very well. Exact fit. Number 4. Coleman No. 21 Mantles. These mantles are designed for your Coleman lantern. They're easy to install and will give you bright, reliable light. These are string tie mantles, the kind that easily attach to your Coleman lantern. They provide a consistent and bright light. You get a total of 8 mantles in this package, that's 2 packs of 4. Plenty of replacements to keep your lantern shining. It fits many models of Coleman lanterns, including the 200, 201, 214, and many more. Check the packaging for a full list. This is the official Coleman replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Keep your lantern in top condition. With these mantles, you'll have a reliable light source for camping, emergencies, or any outdoor adventure. Enjoy the glow. What we like. This pack provides a great value with 8 mantles. The string tie design makes them simple to install, even in low light conditions. If you need a reliable and affordable way to keep your Coleman lantern glowing, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Exactly what is required for Coleman dual fuel lantern. Works perfectly. These mantles are exactly what I needed to restore my outside gas light to full brightness. These mantles seem to be much sturdier than they were back in the day. I've not tried to break them, but I haven't broken any yet either. Number 3. Coleman 242J5201 Plunger. Introducing the Coleman Universal Plunger, a vital replacement part for your Coleman stove or lantern. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. This 4-inch long plunger ensures efficient fuel pumping. It's built to last, keeping your outdoor adventures fueled. Made from durable metal, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. This ensures long-lasting functionality and reliability. It's universally compatible with a wide range of Coleman stoves and lanterns. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. Replacing your old plunger is quick and easy. Get back to enjoying your outdoor adventures with minimal downtime. Don't let a faulty plunger ruin your next camping trip. It's a simple fix that will keep your Coleman equipment running smoothly. What we like. This metal plunger is a universal fit for many Coleman stoves and lanterns. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you need a reliable replacement part that will withstand the test of time, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked great. Perfect replacement part for stoves and lanterns. The part fit perfectly and was just what I needed. Good quality. It was a much tighter fit than the old one, and after the requisite 35 pumps, the tank was fully pressurized, and she started right up. Number 2. Coleman Repair Kit. It's so easy to assemble. The simple components make repairs a breeze, even for beginners. This kit is compatible with several Coleman models. Check your stove or lantern to see if it's included. Look for the model number on the product label or inside the lid of your stove. This will ensure you get the right parts. It's made with quality in mind, right here in the USA. You can trust in its reliability. Keep your essential gear running smoothly. It's a must-have for any camping trip. It includes everything you need: a plunger assembly, pump cap clip, push-on nut, and cushioning spring. This kit provides dependable repairs, keeping your equipment working when you need it most. Get back to enjoying the outdoors. What we like. This kit contains all the essential parts for a quick and easy repair. The straightforward design makes assembly simple, even for beginners. If you value quality and convenience, and prefer American-made products, this is your best option. What people say. Popped it on and it works fine. Just shorter strokes but still primed the tank. A simple replacement on my old Coleman lantern and it works again. My old pump did not work at all anymore. Ordered this kit and took 10 minutes to replace and oil up, and now within only a couple pumps the tank pressure's up. Didn't use everything in the kit, but the pump worked perfect and matches the old one exactly. Number 1. Coleman Lantern Generator. This is the replacement generator for your Coleman lantern. It's compatible with models 220, 228, and 275, ensuring your lantern continues to provide bright light. Replacing the generator is simple. It's a genuine Coleman part, designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. You can trust this part. It's a genuine Coleman replacement, made in the USA. It's built to the same high standards as your original lantern. It works seamlessly with Coleman lanterns 220, 228, and 275. Keep your outdoor adventures well lit with this reliable replacement. It measures just 4 inches long, making it easy to store and transport. It's the perfect solution for keeping your lantern in top condition. This is Coleman part number 300-000-5090. Also known as the older part 220E5891. Make sure you're getting the right replacement for your lantern. What we like. This is a genuine Coleman part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's made in the USA, guaranteeing high quality. If you want to maintain your lantern's original performance, this is the ideal replacement. What people say. Works as expected, just like the original. Works as intended, and these are great to keep on hand to maintain your lanterns. My dad gifted me his old Coleman 228H from 1973 and it needed some TLC. I got the new generator and mantles installed, then it fired right up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.